7. Um, so this is the brownie problem here. Josie made a giant pan of brownies for a school fundraiser, and it would cost $9 to buy the whole pan. That's what this is telling us. But she plans to cut it up and sell it into individual pieces. Sell it individual pieces, at the store, at the Pirates Cove. So Noah loves brownies. He was first in line and bought a third of the pan. So I'm going to divide the pan into thirds. And it's a sketch, so it's just, not perfect, but it's pretty good. And then I'm going to shade it, Noah's portion. So here's Noah's portion. And I'm going to put his name there so I can keep track of my work. Well, let's change colors. That's hard to read. Okay, so I've done this. Savannah was next in line. She bought 2/3 of what was left, so the white is left. So now I'm going to divide the other direction. So Savannah is going to break this into thirds. And Savannah bought 2/3 of what was left, which is the white part. So Savannah buys this third and this third. I'm going to put in that original line, though, again. Make these lines. Yes.
So, this time, which part is the back of this question?
That side. Yep.
This side?
Do this side, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Savannah buys 2/3 of what is left. Do you see that? So Savannah is all of this. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4 parts out of 9. So Savannah buys 4/9 of the pan. Question.
Wait, so when you have like Noah 1/3 is going down, so you just go the opposite way.
Yeah. I mean, you don't have to, but it makes it a lot easier.
I think I got it.
So how much did Savannah have to pay? Well, the whole pan cost $9. I broke it into 9 parts. Each little square is $1. So this is $1. This is $1. This is $1. And this is $1. So Savannah pays $4. So far, we okay? Okay, good. So part C, what fraction of the pan was left after Noah and Savannah took their brownies? Well, the white part. How many squares are in, or parts are in that white part? 2. 2 parts out of 9. Okay, now, Charlie came by next and bought 3/4 of what was left. Okay, so first of all, you guys, remember each little square here is $1. So this white part is $2 worth of $2. If you wanted to buy the rest, you'd have to spend $2. Do you guys see that? Because each little rectangular section turned out to be $1 because there were 9 sections.
For some reason, I thought that was stupid. I don't
Yeah.
know why.
So should I keep going? Charlie buys 3/4 of what was left. So this is where your picture gets a little tricky. So basically, I'm going to divide this into like that, right? And Charlie's going to buy this, this, and this. But I need to, if I'm going to do that division, I need to do it everywhere, right? So I'm going to divide my whole thing up more. And I have 3 now, but I've made this 6, right? So I still have 3 this way. 3 by 6, 18, but Charlie gets 3 parts of the 18, which is a 6. And remember that section I was talking about? Charlie bought it, this section here, was $2 worth. So each little part of that section, instead of being $1, is 50 cents. Do you see that? So it's $1.50 that he paid and left that little bit, I guess, for Josie to eat. Does that make sense? Better? Okay. I'm gonna go to 1B now. Yep.
Can I get a drink of water?
Yes. Okay. Thaddeus, you need to write a pass.
Okay.
So for 1B, Chase,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this problem and I'm gonna make this a round up problem. I'm gonna round it to 5, which is an extra 3/8. Do you see that? Because 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8, 3/8 extra. So then I don't have, then I can just do 10 1/4 and take away 5 because that's easier. And then that gives me 5 1/4. But remember, I rounded up.
So you gotta add back the extra.
So I have to add back the extra 3/8. So that's 5 2/8 plus 3/8, which is 5 5/8. Okay, 1A. So I think the easiest way to do this is add the whole parts first. So 2 plus 3 makes 5. And then add the 5/6 and the 3/4. So get 12ths. Common denominator 12. Does that make sense? So double here. And then times by 3. So work that for a minute.
So after I hit the square, I go to the back.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this gives me 5, right, Chase? Plus, how many 12s here?
No, 10.
10 12s and 9, right?
9.
Right. So that's 5 and 9 and 10, 19 12s. 12 goes into 19 once, right? So now you have 6. And then you've got 7 left over. Okay? 5?
Yeah, we finished 5.
Okay.
Like, I kind of confused, but like, we were working and working.
Okay, good.
First time I wasn't so.
Keep it in your binder, boys, because we're going to work on that Monday.
That is